I spent nearly 20 years in pharmaceutical field operations, and one thing became clear. A CRM can record activity correctly and still support the wrong managerial conclusion. SignalRoom AI is a reality layer for decision intelligence. It asks a different question. Where does the recorded story stop matching field reality? Here, CRM execution is 94%, yet the territory still requires investigation. SignalRoom does not assume that high activity means an effective strategy. It compares recorded execution with channel response, market pressure, access constraints, and operational friction. What may be driving the gap? Instead of jumping to one explanation, SignalRoom presents competitive hypotheses. Poor field execution is not supported as the primary explanation. Flank channel mismatch is supported by available evidence. Competitive pressure and operational friction are plausible contributors, but causality is not established. SignalRoom also avoids turning territory outcomes into automatic employee judgments. Here, individual performance attribution remains not established. The manager is asked to review context before blaming execution, and project progress is treated the same way. HCO70 is 70% complete, yet its reality status is still at risk. Nominal progress does not guarantee real-world viability. Now, the field reality changed. On Tuesday, the visit creates high friction for one viable contact. On Thursday, the same HCP becomes operationally compatible with two additional nearby contacts. The recommendation changed because the field changed, not because an AI arbitrarily changed its opinion. The manager still owns the decision. SignalRoom supports judgment. It does not replace it, and the Epistemic Firewall enforces a final rule. Unsupported claims are rejected as unsupported. Never promote to observed facts. I built SignalRoom as a non-developer domain expert using Codex with GPT 5.6. My role was to bring nearly 20 years of pharmaceutical field experience, define the problem, challenge assumptions, and make the product decision. Codex helped turn that domain knowledge into architecture, deterministic decision logic, and epistemic firewall tests, debugging, and a working application. The deployed runtime is intentionally deterministic and uses only synthetic data. Field teams contribute really. SignalRoom structures the evidence. Managers decide.